Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK. So in this video we are going to see top 5 Excel tricks that is usable to us. So it's a very important trick. So everyone please watch the video till the end and it will definitely find you helpful. So let's start with the first trick. So our first trick is manage the data with Alt plus H plus O plus I. So I will show you. So as you can see, here is data. Some names are hiding in the B column. Names are hiding in the columns. C columns names are hide. So how to manage this column? So we will do it manually through here, like double click on the columns names and like that. But don't need to. Suppose there is a 100 columns, so there is no need to like double click on that and manage it manually. Just simply select the table whatever you want to manage and press Alt plus H plus O plus I. Okay, so as you can see, the table is managed as per our requirement in a very meaningful manner. So this is our first trick. So this is our first trick. Just press Alt plus H plus O plus I. I will also write it here. So I have already write it here. Alt plus H plus O plus I. So you can write it if you want. Then our next topic is use clipboard to copy data. Okay. So here in home, here is one option clipboard. So in this clipboard, what the use of this clipboard I will show you. Suppose if you want to select player name, these player names. Okay. So I have selected these player names and from here you want to select last 5 player names. So as you can see, both the player names are selected and select cursor and paste all. So as you can see, whatever player names we are selected from the list that are pasted here. So that's the main use of clipboard. So if you want to select any specific, like if you want to select, suppose if you want to select these 5 names from the player name column, and if you want to select these 5 in the season, and you want these both fields in a one single field, so at that time you can use clipboard. Okay. Or you want to select these 5 names, these 5 names, these 5 average, so you can easily do it with the clipboard and just click on that paste all, so it will make it a one new column and whatever values you are selected, that value show in the new column. Then our third trick is create graph from table. Okay, so from this table if you want to create a graph, just select all the table and press Ctrl F1. Okay, so with the help of Ctrl F1, I think it currently not working. Just I will show you. Here is the graphs. So with the help of these graphs, you can easily create a new graph in this. Okay, so as you can see, our graphs is created here. So yeah, with the help of this you can create a new graph. So I will currently remove this graph. Then our next topic is create pic from the data. So if you have this data and if you want to create image from this data, so just simply click the data, select the data source, whatever you want to create image, and just press Ctrl C and then press Alt plus H plus V plus I. So as you can see, our image is created. Okay, so this is our image is created from this data source. So that's the very simple way to create image from the data source. So I will remove it right now. Okay, then our next topic is copy table. So if you want to create image, I will write the formula here: Alt plus H plus V plus I. Okay, so that's the formula to create image from the table. Then our next is copy table using cursor. So there is no need to copy table like this and press Ctrl C and press Ctrl V. Just press Ctrl and you can see there is a one arrow will be shown here, and with the help of this control just you can create a new table. Okay, so that's the use of cursor. So whatever how like that's the ultimate number of you can select the table. Okay, just select the table and just press Ctrl. Arrow one plus arrow will be shown here. Just click and copy the table. So that's the very simple way. No need to press Ctrl C, Ctrl V every time. Just with the help of cursor, you can do it easily. So that's it for this video. If you like it, please do subscribe and share. So thank you so much.